Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com and today I'll be cooking frozen crab cakes in the air fryer. So we just need a package of frozen crab cakes, no need to defrost, we're cooking them straight from frozen. So let me open it. And let's take out the air fryer basket and put crab cakes in the air fryer basket. So let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 15 minutes. Now halfway through cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket. And let's flip the crab cakes over so they brown evenly. And let's put the basket back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the crab cakes. Look at that, they're so nicely brown. They look amazing. Let me take them out of the air fryer. I'm so excited about trying them. Let me just cut it so you can see that they're soft and totally cooked inside. So air fryer cooked them straight from frozen. They look amazing. Let me try it. So good. Crispy brown on the outside and so tender on the inside. They're perfect. You're going to love cooking frozen crab cakes in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!